Hey, how you doing? Welcome to Charged Up Cook. My name is Tom. Today we are going to do some mahi-mahi tacos. So I'm going to get my cast iron on, and these aren't going to take long, so let's get the cast iron up there. So right now I just have some butter and some avocado oil in there. I'm also going to add some Sauvignon Blanc. My mahi-mahi, I just have seasoned with some salt and some meat church Blanco. We're gonna let this get hot first, and then we're gonna get it in there. All right, my cast iron's pretty much ready. We're gonna get this fish in and give you a little show of this. So a couple of these, I'm gonna put these two thicker pieces in first. There we go. I actually got a little timer over here, so I'm actually timing it. I'm gonna try to do like 2.5 minutes each side. Baste that a little bit with our butter and our wine. Looks like it's cooking up pretty well. We've only been in about not even a minute yet. One of my favorite foods, to be honest with you, fish tacos. I have some charge-up sauce I made. We have a beautiful mango salsa that has tomatoes, corn, jalapenos, onion, ready to go. That's been marinating about 4 hours now. So, and there's some cilantro in there. So we're only about 1:20 in. I'm actually gonna give these guys a roll real quick. There we go, they're looking quite nice. I'm gonna go ahead and get these other pieces in since those had a head start. These 3 little pieces in. Looking pretty good there. Just keep working this around. There we go. So we're less than 3 minutes in. Fish is looking really good. All right, we're still under about 5 minutes. I'm just gonna give this a little bit of lemon juice. A little more. Just see where we're at. So fish, you're looking at about 145. Yep. Get these 2 bigger pieces out. Let them cool off. So these little guys are probably done. Oh yeah, look at that, it's just falling apart. Let's see where we're at here. All right, let these guys set aside. See right here, I have a couple taco holders. Got some tortillas heating up in the back. I have some corn and some flour. We're just gonna do the corn right now, I think. Get a couple of these made. The first thing I want to get in here is some of my sauce. just a charged up sauce I made. If you want to know what it is, I make it every time for fish tacos. I mean, really, it's just some avocado mayo, some sour cream, some hot sauce, and a little bit of taco seasoning. So let's get this guy on there. Let's get this guy on there. Here's what we have so far. I'm going to get that other 2 pieces of fish out before it gets too late. I'm sure we'll be making more tacos. These are pretty tiny. So then we're just going to take this mango salsa and just lay it right on top. There you go. I'm not sure how well you can see those. Let me get this other camera going. Check this out. So there's our 2 mahi-mahi fish tacos ready to go. See if we can't give one of these a try. Oh my goodness. That is outstanding. I made a couple out of corn tortillas. These here, guys, I'm going to try a couple with flour. So I get some of my sauce on here. Sour cream, avocado mayo, some hot sauce, some taco seasoning. That's what I like to mix up. A little bit of lemon juice. Get some fish on here. There we go. Actually going to cut this guy in half. Get him on there. We actually can get a couple of these pieces in here. Like that. And we'll get some more of that salsa. I hope you guys can see this okay. So this is mango, tomato, onions, even some corn. I grilled off some corn and then we took it off the cob, and the jalapenos are in here. We actually seared on the grill and roasted and then chopped them up before they went in. And then I'm going to try something my wife wasn't too keen about. I think actually a nice cool piece of cantaloupe would be excellent on there. I guess we'll do one over here on hers. So there we go. Fish tacos. Quick and easy. Cooks up in about 5 minutes. There is some prep work with the pico and all that. I appreciate you watching. Okay, love you. Bye.